In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a rectangle into a frame in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Figma is a powerful design tool, and knowing how to manipulate shapes effectively is key to creating stunning designs. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is create a new design project in Figma. Head over to your Figma dashboard and click on New Design File. This will open up a blank canvas where you can start your design from scratch. It's pretty straightforward, and you'll see the familiar design interface in no time. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and pause the video, set this up, and come back to join me. Once you have your new design file open, the next step is to add a rectangle. You can either click on the rectangle tool in the toolbar or simply press the R key on your keyboard. This will allow you to draw a rectangle anywhere on your canvas. Just click and drag to create your shape. Feel free to set the dimensions according to your need. This rectangle will be the shape you will convert into a frame, so make sure it's just the way you want it. Now the third step is important. We need to check whether the rectangle you've created is just a standard shape or if it's been previously converted into a frame. To do this, head over to your Layers panel on the left side of the interface. Look for your rectangle in the list. If it's not showing as a frame, you're good to go. If it shows as a frame, you'll want to convert it back into a rectangle first. If it is indeed a rectangle, you'll right-click on your shape. In the drop-down menu, select Frame Selection. This action will convert your rectangle into a frame, allowing you to use it to contain other design elements like images or shapes. Pretty cool, right? Now, once you've done that, you can begin using the frame just like you would use any other frame in Figma. You can drag items into it, or apply different backgrounds, or whatever suits your project. This method is particularly useful for organizing your designs and keeping your layers tidy for complex projects. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to turn a rectangle into a frame in Figma. With these steps, you'll be able to manage your designs more effectively, creating structured and polished work. So if you found that helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and experiment with these tools in your own designs. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.